Started with the webinar in just a couple minutes to give some people a little bit more time to join, but thank you all for joining so far. All right, I think we'll go ahead and get started. Thank you everyone for joining today's Star Solution Selling webinar. My name is Brianna Moriarty. I'm the Partner Development Manager for Star Micronics. So today we're gonna start with a brief intro of Star Micronics, kind of where we were and where we're going. We're gonna introduce the Star Solution product line, talk about some of Star's modern technology for today's modern business. We're going to teach you on how to become a trusted advisor to your customers, and then talk about some of our solution selling offerings for different markets. So to get started, for the past 40 years, Star Micronics has been a printer company. We've been recognized as one of the leaders in point-of-sale receipt printers, both impact and thermal. And since we paved the way in adding more innovative technology and features to our receipt printers for a more modern and mobile point of sale. However, while we're most known for our printing technology, we're no longer just a printer company, but a solutions provider. Star Micronics has made it a point to listen to the needs of our customers and partners over many years and have expanded our product line to offer a full hardware solution for any point of sale application in any market. We saw a major need for portable and kiosk printers and added them to our lineup. And then we also added our robust and durable Star cash drawers not long to follow. And then for the SMB world, which Star kind of shines in, that's our sweet spot, we combined the cash drawer and receipt printer into one with the mPOS. And then to expand on the M collection, we now offer scales and our mUnite point of sale solution stands. And of course, in addition to all this, we also provide the paper, the scanners, kitchen buzzers, and more. So to get started, I kind of want to start by highlighting our newest and greatest receipt printer, our RMC Print 3. And the reason this is so standout from so many of our other offerings is because it offers the most versatile solution for any type of market or any type of application. So the RMC Print, it's equipped with a hub functionality, allowing customers to power up to 3 peripherals, being your barcode scanner, a customer display, actually through the printer. It's multi-interface, so we have the LAN, USB to Lightning, standard USB, Cloud Print, Bluetooth, our latest steady LAN technology, which I'll talk more about a little bit later. In addition to it just being a very sleek and compact receipt printer, it also doubles as a great kitchen printer because it's splash proof, it's insect proof, really kind of what we refer to as the Rolls Royce of receipt printing technology. And of course, to add to that, we have our cash drawers that are both models are printer driven with varied sizes for standard and high volume cash flow. Our CD3 drawers are value line for kind of standard cash management, while the SMD2 line offers a more robust and durable solution for if you need kind of something a little more secure in your point of sale environment. And then, of course, after a ton of requests, specifically from the cannabis market and some of our software partners for an integrated scale, Star answered that call as well. We've released a line of scales about maybe a year and a half ago, each with a different measurement capacity and accuracy for different markets. So you'll see our MGS 322 offers a more accurate measurement or precise measurement for cannabis or the pharmacy market, where we go up to our MGS 8200 for yogurt shops or delis, something like that. All of our scales are NTEP certified, making them legal for trade. And unlike many other scales on the market, they're multi-interface. So you can use the scales with Bluetooth, serial, or USB connectivity. They offer wired or battery powered options, so you can take it on the go to a farmer's market or any other type of mobile pop-up or stand type of shop. And our latest addition to our M collection are our Immunite stands. These offer a sleek and unified look to your point of sale, and they're equipped with a universal VESA mount, making it compatible with any tablet or touchscreen device. Meaning, so if you want to bring your own enclosure, you can do that. Star offers our own line of VESA mountable enclosures for, more of the commonly used tablets. We offer options for a secondary VESA mount for a customer-facing device or a customizable branding plate. So this really helps to kind of take all the different Star peripherals and solutions that we're offering and combine it into one unified and elegant design. And there will be more Immunite designs to come later this year. And of course, we offer our additional peripherals as well. We have our 1D and 2D barcode readers. We have a customer-facing display for line item pricing. We have our latest MC Sound Kitchen buzzer, which allows you to add customized sounds. It comes equipped with 16 different sounds. We have our standard kitchen buzzer. And our latest addition to our MC Print 2 and 3 printers is that we've added HID device support. So now, in addition to the Star peripherals offered, you can power any HID device through select MC Print 2 and MC Print 3s. And most importantly, in addition to just hardware, we try to make it easy for our software partners to integrate with our solutions as well. So to start, we offer our own SDK to make it easy for software developers to integrate with our products. The StarPrint SDK is built for mobile OS programmers and supports many of our peripherals. We also have several solutions to help programmers print from mobile devices or web applications. So we have our Cloud Print, which is the leading technology for online ordering currently. It allows direct printing from the cloud. So if you're placing a food order on a mobile online ordering app like Grubhub, for example, the order will then go to the cloud and directly to the printer without the need for that tablet in the middle. PassPrint also enables printing from mobile devices in a different way, but with very little integration required. So more of a simple way for developers to enable mobile printing. And then we have our web print technology for web programmers, including peripheral control, and we have that web print SDK available as well to make it very easy to integrate. And our latest technology that we've recently released is SteadyLand for iOS. So what this is it's specifically built for MC Print 2 and MC Print 3 printers right now, and it provides a wired Ethernet connection to the tablet through the networked printer via lightning cable. This kind of eliminates the question of unstable Wi-Fi signals or the worry that restaurants or retailers might have about their iPad connection dropping and being unable to complete a transaction or receive maybe an online order. Currently, this is only available for iOS, but we do plan to release SteadyLand support for Android as well later in the year. And we also offer promo print. So to add on to the already robust solution of Star products, we offer promo print for retailers to build custom promotions and schedule them for their end users. Promo print's available on pretty much all of our thermal printers offer today. We also have it available for some of our kiosk printers. It's very simple to set up and use. Retailers can simply go to the promo builder where there are tons of templates and pre-built promotions available that they can use, schedule it for any day of the week, or if they have a busy rush time where they want to hand out some more promotions or coupons, they can do that. And then, of course, track it through the Star Micronics cloud dashboard. And if you want to learn more about promo print and how you can help your customers leverage that, we do have a Promo Print University program, which you can inquire more about following the webinar. In addition to just the hardware and technology and kind of our standard offerings that you'll see on the Star website, we're more than that. We consider ourselves a trusted advisor to providing solutions because in addition to just hardware, we offer a dedicated technical support line. We offer partner programs for both our value-added resellers and ISV partners. We have quarterly product promotions. We offer unlimited marketing and business development support. We have a dedicated integration team to help software developers overcome any bugs that they might experience while integrating hardware. And we're a channel-focused company, so we really believe that our partners' success is our success. And finally, between our sales, marketing, and integration team, we have over 370 years combined of industry experience. So we know the market, we know the channel, and we want to help you guys succeed. So with that, we want to teach you how you can become a trusted advisor to your partners. So at Star, we like to follow the 5 C's that Dale Carnegie kind of explains is the key to building out a customer relationship. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is connect with the customer, sit down with them and understand what the issue at hand is or what they're looking for. Next, you don't want to just kind of say, okay, here's what you need and here's what we've got to give you, but collaborate and try to reach the best solution as a team. You want to then, once you've listen to your customer and understood their needs, create an offer together, provide different options and really don't just push a product, but create a solution. Before we get to the actual sales part, you want to confirm that the solution that you're offering is meeting all the needs that your customer is putting out on the table. And then finally, of course, commit to the sale. Something else that Star really focuses on when talking to our customers are the unique selling points. So unique selling points are a key in solution selling because it really sets apart just kind of the features and specs of a product that you might want to push, and it really focuses on the benefits that your customer are going to experience and the outcome that they'll receive from using your product. So your unique selling points should differentiate your solution from your competitors, meaning that it's something that kind of really sets you guys apart. Explain what your offer does that others don't. Identify what makes your solution better than your competition. But of course, with all of this, you have to be factual in what you offer. And if you're struggling to come up with your own USPs, or if you are a Star solution seller, you can leverage ours. So Star Micronics was the first to develop our own SDK for tablet point of sale. We're the only US point of sale manufacturer to make printers, cash drawers, stands, scales, kiosk mechanisms, and portable printers. We're the first point of sale manufacturer to support USB to Lightning connectivity, and now with the SteadyLand Ethernet to Lightning connectivity as well. We're the first to offer Bluetooth point of sale printers. We're the only point of sale manufacturer to offer AirPrint for countertop receipt printing, and our products have a less than 0.10% failure rate. So I would say that's pretty good. So what really is the difference between solution selling versus product selling? So when you're selling a product, you're just focusing on features and specs. You're not really asking questions about some of the issues that your customer might be facing and trying to uncover different options. You're just kind of selling a component of the solution instead of the full spectrum, and you're not really focusing, or you're just focusing on what the product does and not kind of the results that the customer is going to see. So instead, with solution selling, we want to talk about not just the facts, but the benefits and the applications of the solution as well. You want to be very inquisitive. You want to ask a lot of questions, before you really get to the answer or trying to close the deal. You should be asking tons and tons of questions to your customer and making sure that you are selling them the exact solution that they need. You're kind of selling the idea, so painting a picture of what their business is going to look like, how productivity or profitability are going to improve due to your solution, rather than just selling a piece of the puzzle. And then again, focusing on the customer's needs. So getting into some of the different markets where, for examples of the product selling versus solution selling, for retail, for example, previously, before Star had some of our additional products, product selling in the retail space just looked like a single receipt printer or maybe our mPOS. Now you have the full solution. You have the MU nightstand to really bring together the solution of the printer, the mPOS. You have the cash drawer, you have the barcode reader, you have the customer display, and you have promo print. In the hospitality market, again, previously it might have just looked like a receipt printer for front of house and a kitchen impact printer for back of house. Now you kind of have everything. You could use the RMC Print either for a receipt printer or a kitchen printer. We still offer our Impact SP700 as our tried and true kitchen printer. We have label printers or our TSP 650 SK for QSR sticky labels. We have our kitchen buzzer, portable printers. We have a lot of restaurants using portable printers either in the kitchen or even for online ordering. We have cash drawers for front of house, and of course, we talked about the SteadyLand technology. This is super important in restaurants. We're finding a lot of our hospitality partners very interested in this because when tablet connectivity drops in the middle of trying to place an order or an online order coming through, that can, be the difference between having a satisfied or unsatisfied customer. Retouching on cloud print, we see a lot of success in that for online ordering. Star currently is integrated with all the online ordering platforms on the market today, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Postmates, you name it. And we also offer promo print for a lot of these printers as well. So you can keep your customers coming back. The cannabis market is a thriving market, and Star is not behind on that one as well. When we first got into the market, maybe about 5 years ago or so, we saw a lot of movement on our TSP 100s and 650s, but now, again, we're seeing our solutions really expanding in that market. So instead of just the receipt printer, we have the stands, we have label printers. Star provides custom cannabis labels for that market. We have our scales, cash drawers, and our promo print. And we actually have Planet 13. They are the largest US dispensary, not only using our hardware products, but promo print for their business to print promotions. We also have a array of kiosk solutions. So if you need a really kind of simple to integrate solution, we have our housed and closed printers, our TSP 100s and RMC Print 3s for more of a self-service type of scenario, and maybe QSR. We also have our Cine printers, which are very compact and lightweight, so they're very easy to integrate. They're great for very slim type of sleek kiosks. They're all equipped with our StarPrint SDK, meaning that they're Android compatible. You can use them with Windows. They can also be used with our promo print technology. So even at a kiosk, you can continue to offer those promos or some sort of information. Maybe in a parking garage, you can give directions to a popular location using promo print. And then we have our TUP series. These are more of our industrial kiosk solutions for more robust kiosks where we might not be able to maintenance them quite as often. And then in the payment space, for this, I mean, we want to offer kind of like a simple bundle to those ISOs or people in that market. So whether it's single store, multi-store, or franchise, you have our MPOP, all-in-one mobile point of purchase for low volume cash transactions. It's very sleek, simple to use. For maybe a multi-store location, you can combine one of our tried and true receipt printers with our cash drawers. Again, promo print is available on all of our thermal printers, so you always can offer up promo print as a value add to your customers. And then for franchise, again, we have the whole bundle. We have the stands, we have the printers, the cash drawers, promo print, the scanners, and customer displays. So, you know, we really don't want to leave anything on the table when working with these customers, and making sure that Star Micronics is kind of the one-stop shop for all of your point of sale hardware needs. So that kind of wraps it up. Some key takeaways, again, like I just said, Star is a one-stop shop for all of your point of sale hardware solutions. Rather than going to 5 different vendors for your stand, receipt printer, cash drawer, scanners, you can just come to us and we have the perfect solution, no matter what your application is or what your market is. And it's so important to not just be a salesperson, but to really be a trusted advisor. We want to focus on selling benefits and experiences. I feel that that's what we do with our partners. You know, we don't want to just be a product pusher, but really a partner in making sure that these customers are satisfied with the solutions that we're offering. And of course, probably the most important, when you sell Star bundles, that's more money in your pocket for you. So at this time, we'll take questions. If you haven't yet submitted questions, you can type them in. Everyone is currently muted, so we won't be able to physically ask questions, but feel free to submit those at this time. It looks like we got our first question, and that is, are the scales now certified for Canada? I do not believe they are. Currently, we plan to add Canadian scales to our lineup, hopefully this year. Another question I see here is what payment devices will work with Star products. Pretty much any payment devices will work with Star products. They just have to be integrated with the hardware. So again, we have our sales contact here. You guys can reach out at any time if you're looking to integrate a specific payment device with Star hardware. I see a question that says, what are the label printer model numbers? I'm not exactly sure if that's asking.
I can answer that question. Hi, everybody. Marcelo from the sales team here at Star Micronics. So there's a couple of models that can work with labels. That's the TSP 700 series and the TSP 800 series. 3 and 4 inch direct thermal labels work with that. And then from a linerless perspective, we have the TSP 654 SK. So for solutions that you require sticky paper type, non-adhesive or not too adhesive labels, that would be the model for that. That's also 3 inch wide format direct thermal.
All right, I also got a question about what other industries Star does offer solutions for. I mean, I'm going to say pretty much all industries. If you do go to our website, you can go to our solutions pages and see all the different industries that STAR has specific bundles and solutions for.
So question here about barcode scanner part number. I can look it up for you really quick on the website, or you can visit starmicronics.com. Which scanner you're looking for. There's a 2D barcode or a 1D barcode. BC01, I believe, is our 1D barcode model number, and then the 2D barcode that's available now is the Zebra 9208, DS9208. So that would be your choice for the scanners on the website now. When it comes to the HID support for scanners, pretty much, like a Honeywell Orbit would work, or Datalogic Quick Scan. These are the ones just off the top of my head that will be able to work with the HID support. STAR is using these peripherals, but not actually manufacturing all of them. So it's kind of open to pick your own scanner from that standpoint.
I also see a question here about
the barcode iOS support. Yes, the Zebra model does. Give me 1 second here. Do the kiosk printers do labels? The answer to that is they have sensors for labels. You'd have to see which media you're going to use. So that answers that question. HID device include bump bar? Yes. There are different bump bars like logic controls out there. Comes to mind that could be used. Do you have a list of third-party delivery applications you are approved for? We do have a list, but it's more of an internal list of the ISVs that work with our software. It's kind of funny, we were having a conversation about this the other day. If there's something specific, Peter, that you'd like to know about that, you could shoot me an email or shoot Brianna an email, and then she'll send it to me and I can answer that question for you a little bit offline. Printer buzzer. So that buzzer, actually, are you talking about the standard buzzer or the MC Sound? MC Sound works exclusively with the MCP printers, and then our regular buzzer works with any other printer that's out there. It's a simple connection to the DK port, but the MC Sound only works with MCP printers. Do we have any other questions?
that. Looks like all the questions. So if any other questions come up, again, my email is right there. We have the sales@starmicronics.com. And then, of course, if you know Marcelo, you can reach out to him as well. His email address is mmunoz@starmicronics.com. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.
Take care, everybody.